Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to discuss how artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is going to change the world in the upcoming years. AI is a technology that has exploded in recent years, and that's why many people consider it to be the most significant technological advancement of our time. When we talk about AI, we are referring to a powerful computer system that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This powerful technology has the potential to revolutionize the world in several ways. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. AI has already begun to influence the world in various industries. For example, the healthcare industry is already leveraging the power of AI to detect cancer cells before it's too late. Additionally, AI has the potential to create a more personalized experience in the e-commerce industry by analyzing consumer data and predicting their needs before they even realize them. Another area where AI has a profound impact is the transportation industry. Self-driving cars are no longer a dream, but they are already on the roads. These cars can make travel safer, quicker, and more cost-effective. Moreover, the technology is already being used in public transportation, such as buses and trains. AI has already begun to transform the education sector also. With the help of AI, we can create personalized learning experiences for students. The system can use algorithms to figure out how each student learns and present them with material that suits their learning style. This will help students to learn at their own pace and give teachers the tools to adapt their teaching to the needs of each student. Moreover, while there are several great benefits to AI, it is also opening up several ethical questions. For instance, how do we ensure that AI is used ethically and that it doesn't do more harm than good? Who will govern the ethical use of AI? These are questions that need to be addressed as we continue to integrate AI into various fields. In conclusion, we can already see how AI is going to change the world in several ways, empowering industries and creating new opportunities. With advancing technology, AI will continue to have a significant impact on our daily life, from easy and efficient communication to the more complex like personalized treatments for cancer patients. We just need to ensure that we use AI in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. And there you have it, folks. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, leave